everyone, and welcome to Kait's Coaching Corner, where every single week I try to bring you a little bit of joy and a little bit of inspiration to bring back to your own classroom. So this week I want to highlight someone that seems like she's been trying a new tool or a new strategy on a daily basis. I want to highlight Erika Jones, and I want to talk about her work with Pear Deck Flashcard Factory this year. If you've never used this tool, it's a great way to have students work together in partners to create digital flashcards for your content. One student will draw something about that term, and one student will write an example or a definition of the term. And what's really great is at the end, the students have a lot of fun because they compete to see who has made the best, most accurate flashcards. And as a teacher, you can put all those awesome flashcards together as a Quizlet set for students to study from. So if you talk to Erika about this, she was so excited about how well Flashcard Factory worked for her class. And I've seen a lot of people use Flashcard Factory as a review type of activity. So you teach them new vocabulary terms, and then the students turn around and do this with their content. And it works beautifully. But what I want to talk about is how Erika actually used this to introduce new terms to students, new content. And so not only did the students have to draw and write about those terms, but they had to figure out together what the heck that word even meant and how it related to her content. So it was a great activity. Like I said, she's super excited about it. So if you want to know how this works and how you might be able to use it, I know Erika would be willing to chat with you about it a little bit. And I would totally be willing to help you get it set up if you want to try it. So a lot of you have been asking me, how can you introduce new content in a different way? How can you spice up vocabulary lessons? This might be the tool that you want to try if you've never checked it out before. So thank you so much, Erika, for all that you do for students on a daily basis. You are killing it this year, and keep doing what you're doing. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend, and I will catch you next week.